Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to update your shipping options? In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to remove the free shipping option in WooCommerce to better manage your delivery costs. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So for this specific video, guys, we are going to go throughout a couple of articles that's going to help us and guide us in these videos. So first of all, how can we exclude products from free shipping in WooCommerce? Because offering free shipping in your online store is a great way to boost sales. However, for some products, it might be unprofitable, as you know. So the solution for that is to disable the free shipping for certain products. So in this article, they will explain to us exactly how we can do it. So how to disable free shipping for certain product in WooCommerce. So now when we have the right tool, it's time to move on. This article will show you the two most common ways to offer free shipping per product. The choice of the right solution for you will be dependent on the complexity of your store, the number of products, shipping place classes, and the level of complexity of the shipping scenario. So here, as you can see, add a new shipping class. So flexible shopping allows you to allow setting shipping rules based on shipping classes. This will be the best way to achieve most of the scenarios presented in this article. So the first step is to do that. We'll be able to be adding the special shipping class for paid shipping products. Let's go to WooCommerce, which is basically a plugin that will be in your WordPress website. So here it is, as you can see. So you could click here, start new site, as you can see, save, continue, etc, and no thanks, and yeah, you'll have to pay eventually to get it. Now once you have WordPress WooCommerce, then go to settings. After that, head up to the shipping classes, then add shipping class. It will be on the sidebar, and create a new shipping class. Now let's get paid shipping for this guide. As you can see, this is the shipping class and it has been called paid shipping. Now add all products that you want to exclude from free shipping to that shipping class. To do that, go to the edit product page and in the product data box, select the new shipping class. As you can see, this is the new shipping class. As you can see, this is weight, dimension, etc. It is paid. Now that you have the right shipping class, it's time to configure the shipping method. First, let's take a look at free shipping over amount and how to disable free shipping for certain products in that scenario. Add a new shipping method or edit the one you already have. Leave the free shipping field empty and we will use it in the next method. Make sure the rules calculation is set to sum. So basically here, maximum cost, sum, then for example, maximum cost is basically, let's say, this is not really necessary, but rules calculation is basically, for example, if the person has bought a total of $300 of products from you, then there will be a sum. So it's going to be a fixed ratio, which is, for example, $30 as delivery. If there is other options, for example, there is like multiply or ratio. For example, the rule calculation will be like 5% of the product's cost will be the cost of the delivery. That could be also an option, but we are not going for that. Once you add sum, so which is a fixed amount, then configure the shipping rules based on that example. For example, here when price is set from 0 to 300, then you should add $5 as cost. When price is from 300 to unlimited, then rule cost is 0. For example, do not add anything. When shipping class card contains paid shipping, then rule cost is 20. So for that, we'll cause every single product that is in the paid shipping class costs $20 per shipping, which is exclusively for the paid shipping product. That means that basically whenever someone tries to buy one of these products, it will add $20. Even if the cart has 6 products that are not included in paid shipping and one which is included in paid shipping, then they will pay eventually $20 for that specific product to be shipped to them, even if the cart has too many items. And even if it passes like 300. So these are the conditions and the rules that you have set by doing that through here. And yeah, this is basically how you can set off and basically remove the free shipping from your products on WooCommerce. So thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.